All right, we're live, we're live, we're live. So, awesome, guys. So, we did get a bounce overnight. Not too bad. We actually got some really, really great plays overnight. Very happy with what happened. However, what's next, right? That's the big question mark. And yeah, I've been updating the market update section of Precision Trading Academy Discord, as well as I've been updating, where's it at? Short-term scalps, right here. Short-term scalps. I have just been slamming you guys with just content over and over and over and over and over. So definitely you guys should not be surprised on what we have been, what's been going on. All right, let's go ahead and put this out there. Live stream. We're live. Let's go to market update. We are live stream. Get in here. All right, what is is there more downside to go? Everyone, let's go ahead and do that. Post. Cool. And cool. Awesome. All right. Awesome. So let me go ahead and also put my comments on YouTube. Setting this whole thing up is always a pain in the butt, but you know, it is what it is. Okay. So let's go to my channel. Then let's go to the live stream. And there we are. Cool. Yeah, guys, there has been a ton, an absolute ton happening over the last, 72 hours? This has been nuts. Absolutely insane, incredibly crazy, right? Yeah, it's just been nuts, guys. So the good news is, or at least what I've been trying to do, is I've been trying to be as available as possible. So if we go over here, all the lives, okay, that was a live stream. Last like 4 days, I've done live streams every single day, and each one usually lasts like 3 to 4 hours. So you guys can see 4 hours yesterday, 4 hours yesterday, 4 hours the day before that, 6 minutes. Oh, that was my little quick video I did updating it. And then, of course, over here, crypto.com. Okay. And then over here, we have another live stream, 3 hours. Like over here 5 days ago, we did for 3 hours. Like I've been on here as much as possible, guys. I really have. I want to be as available as possible so you guys can get the information you can. I put a poll out today. I was like, you guys want a dedicated video? You want a live stream? Well, we actually do want a live stream, so you know what? Here we are. All right. I was really thinking about doing a dedicated video, but apparently that's not what y'all want, so we'll do a live stream instead. So, hey, CB. There you go, buddy. Appreciate it, like always. Okay, let's think about this. What has been going on? Wow, this has been an absolute just shit show, guys. This has been crazy. It's absolutely been just nuts. We're looking at a million different things right now. This is something that Blockchain Backer posted yesterday. Made sense. I can see that, right? You have the top side here, bottom side there. This is the top of the capitulation back in, or yeah, this is the top at 13.5. This is the bottom of the capitulation of the COVID crash. This is the top over on March 2021, and this is what we got right now. So is this the bottom of a channel? I mean, it makes sense on a log chart. And if you take off the log chart, obviously it makes no damn sense. But on a log chart, I mean, it makes sense, guys. I see it, right? We also bounced in the golden pocket. We have now retaken these lows. Like there are a lot of bullish things happening in this market. There really are, and it's tough, but I am expecting the dip. Okay, I'm expecting us to go lower. I am. I think that makes the most sense right now. I've really been diving in the market, trying to figure this whole thing out. I think it is going to go lower, but I'm going to talk about exactly what to look for to assume that it's not, or that it's not going to go lower, right? So, man, this is tough, guys. This is really, really tough. Okay, so let's go back over here and let's look at this. I've been posting. I posted this in the Discord, and like, I sort of just go on random tangents and shit all the time, right? But where would you put in a Hail Mary BTC limit order? Right here. This is it right here. This is my wick zone. This is like I would just ladder bids all up and down this sucker, and I would definitely. Now here's the thing though, okay? This would be my wick zone. So if it comes down here, I would absolutely just play the bounce. Okay? Let me say that again. I would absolutely play the bounce. Just like we did with Mana today, we would do the exact same thing with Bitcoin or whatever asset you're playing right here. Okay? This is my wick zone. I think that if we do dip down in here, which is possible, right? I think probable, right? If we do come down here, then this is my area where I would be okay with setting blind bids, letting that shit fall. Then whenever it gets the bounce, I'd be looking to sell, okay? Now the bounces are very aggressive. They're very violent, just like we saw today, okay? We saw this, and this was still from 25,000 up to now. That was still what, like a 20% bounce on Bitcoin. Over here on Mana, we got a really, really, really good entry over here. If you guys got on the Mana play, let me know. I'm really curious to know who actually got on this, because on Mana, we bought at 74 cents. Right here, 74 cents, and we rode it up to here. And we can see this, right? This is where we sold it at. I think Coinbase got a little higher, didn't it? A little bit. So we bought it 74 cents, and we sold at this region. So that was a 74 cents. 50% increase? 56% increase. That's not bad, guys. I mean, like that's not bad, right? That's a really impressive bounce, all right? The thing is, though, like, not everything's bouncing as aggressively as that, right? In the grand scheme of things, this doesn't, like, that's not very impressive. You guys see that? Like, it's not very impressive yet, okay? That's just a very minor dead cat bounce, even though this is one of the ones that bounced the hardest. You can go to some other ones and see, like, guys, this is nothing significant yet. Like, this is nothing significant at all, all right? KNC, like it had a, oh my gosh, guys, it had a 69%, or let's do 70%, just so we're not saying 69, right? 70% drop on KNC, which resulted in us recovering 67%, which means that we are only down 61%. Oh, this is the BTC pairing. Shit, my bad. I'm all messed up here. There you go. Okay, so let's try this again. All right, so we are even further. Holy hell. All right, so we are 81% down from the lows, okay? So after that bounce, even if we go to the very, very tippy top of it, we're still 61% down from the lows, okay? Like, this happened 2 weeks ago, okay? Like, it wasn't like this is like, from the highs back in May, like, or like, whenever the hell the highs were. Like, this is recent, okay? So these bounces are not significant at all right now, guys. Like, it's aggressive. I know people are like, oh my gosh, here we are, we're taking off. Yeah, no, okay? Like you've got to be patient here, okay? And the reason why I had this pulled up is just to try to really illustrate something to you guys, okay? I just really, maybe it's overly cautious. Maybe I'm freaking out for no reason. Let's go ahead and redraw it just so you guys see where I got this from, okay? So if you go back over here to the COVID crash, right back here, okay? We had a 64% drop from the highs on Bitcoin, and this happened in the span of essentially a month, okay? Essentially a month of just constantly losing, and then we had this massive capitulative wick at the very bottom, right? And you guys can see that, like, it sucked, okay? This sucked, and this is the one that I actually... This is the one that I actually was involved in, everything else, and I lost my ass on this one, right? I did not do very well recently, but I lost my absolute ass on this one. All right. So, what I want to do here, though, is I want to show you guys the similarities that I'm seeing here, and it's definitely it's definitely similar, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and do it from here. Okay. So now let's go back over here. I'm gonna try Corona. I'm gonna try, but there's no promises, right? Like I do expect downside. Okay. It's very dangerous to assume anything but. All right, so you guys see where I got that from, right? Okay, and I'm not going to consider this the top. I'm just considering this little part right here of the corrective structure because the time frame is about the same, etc. I think this makes the most sense. So from the top, okay, and I went through here and I'm trying to line up and like, okay, what makes sense based upon the highs, the lows, etc. And the best thing that I can come to, I think that was it right there actually. Oh, we got pretty close. Right about there. This is basically what I'm looking at right now. Okay, so remember this came from the COVID 2020 crash, and where we had a 64% drop. Okay, and you guys can see like this is where we're at right now. Okay, is there a lot of similarities? I think there is. I really do think there is quite a bit of similarities here. Obviously, you can't use prior. You can't like use this as like only thing to look for, but I think it is significant enough that I think I do. You know, we have our high right here tested. We drop down below, right? We're consolidating underneath this level, right where we're at right now. So if this is accurate, right? If this is even relatively accurate, this fractal, right? This fractal basically tells you that you're still going to have an additional from our current levels. We still may have, is that accurate? Yeah, an 86% drop from our current levels, guys. If we were to match the absolute ferocity that we saw back in COVID, the COVID crashes, like, I know this seems unrealistic and things. I'm telling you guys right now, it's not. It's really not. Okay. Hopefully, with the whole Luna situation, you guys are really starting to grasp these coins can dip a lot further than you may be expecting. Okay. So, is this what's going to happen? I don't know. Okay. We don't know. We don't know. What we do know is that we have some serious issues and serious resistances above us that we have to reclaim before we can consider a bull market back on. Okay. And I know there are some people that are actually starting to get bullish to these levels. And I get it. But I am going to exercise caution. Okay. I'm going to exercise caution. Because if this fractal plays out, the biggest part of this move hadn't even happened yet, right? And if you want to look at the traditional markets, everything else going on with that, could this be, could that entire shit show be what brings this whole thing down? I mean, it could, right? So that's why I'm okay with laddering in this region, because I know the volatility that we get, it would make it worth it. But basically what I would do is I would essentially ladder in here and here and here and here and scatter that sucker all around, right? And I'm just going to scatter it and let that sucker bounce around, right? But once I get my bids filled and I start getting a massive expansion up, guys, I'm out. Okay, I'm out. Okay, this would be a really nice, bounce region. You could probably get another 50% increase in this movement right here, but I am not interested at all in trading long term right now. Okay, at all. I have no interest whatsoever. Now, there's more reasons as well, or let me rephrase this. What I buy on this dip is not what I'm going to hold the whole time. Okay, what I mean here, okay, I want to make this clear. I want to make sure you guys understand this. Shit. We're going to run in here. This empty space. So we're going on the negatives. Hopefully we don't drop. Hopefully Bitcoin doesn't drop to negative 30,000, right? That'd be really cool. All right. Maybe for every Bitcoin that you own, you actually owe $30,000, right? All right. This is basically what I'm looking for. Oh, shit. The magnet was on. What'd I mess up? I messed something up. Okay, good. Okay. What the hell? Okay, there we go. Okay, so essentially, look at it like this. And obviously, these price levels are completely unrealistic, right? It doesn't make any sense whatsoever. But when I'm coming in here and the price dips down here, if it does, right? We don't know yet, right? We still have things to look for. But if it does dip down in here, and I come in here and I'm buying there, I'm buying there, I'm buying there, right? I'm buying here because I have ladder bids in here, and I know how aggressive this shit can go, right? And I'm going to have just a massive amount of bids that I'm jumping on here. What I'm going to do is once we get that capitulate, or once we get that exit, the short squeeze, okay, it will happen. It always happens. When you have a mass capitulative event, you will always have a massive short squeeze that will liquidate every one of the short positions, okay? And if you do not believe me, okay, if you're like, that, oh, you don't know, it may just go straight to zero, right? Like guys, I've done a video on capitulations, okay? Right, where is it? There, right here, okay? Look at this video, and I will talk to you how basically everyone in leverage positions during a capitulative event will lose. Everyone. Not just longs, not just shorts, everyone. Everyone loses, okay? The only people who will make money during capitulations are going to be exceptionally lucky people, exceptionally lucky, or they're going to be people who just buy spot. That's it. That's who win, or stays the hell out of the market, okay? Buying spot very, very low and staying the fuck away from this is the only way to make money during a capitulative moment. It is, right? That's it. There's no one else makes money on these things, okay? But here's what happens. Once it dives down in here, everyone always thinks like it's going to be just once the bottom's in, it's going to be rainbows and sunshine with this massive candle, and it just goes up, and we're like, all right, cool. Now we're going to target, 100,000 again, right? No. This is not what happens. That's not what happens, okay? Here's what happens instead. Oh, shit. It dives down. It has an exit pump or a liquidity, a short squeeze, right? A short squeeze. And then we range for a while. We tap every bit of liquidity, and we go like that, go like that, we go like that. Okay, this is what happens in capitulations. Okay, you're going to have this is actually like, this will be a massive spike that's just going to wipe out everybody. It's going to wipe out all the longs, usually go a little lower, right? It's going to walk out all the longs, come back up here, wipe all the late shorters, and then we come back in here, and then we have to do what's called establishing a range, establishing a base, okay? Then once the base is established, that's when you can start looking for trades, okay? When it's basing is when you look for trades, okay? If you expect that it's going to be a legitimate capitulation, you're looking for a markup or expansion upwards, right? However, don't be surprised if you start getting some liquidity sweeps down here as well. So once you get a range established, usually what happens here, I'm trying to explain this as well, okay? So you're going to have a massive drop down, okay? Massive drop down, which is going to blow away everyone's expectations. We're going to get down to your negative $100,000 on Bitcoin, okay? Now, once it pops up, you're going to have your massive short squeeze. So long squeeze down, short squeeze up, then you start to establish a range. Generally, you're going to have these series of highs and lows are established, right? And once you have your highs and lows established, this is when you can actually establish your range. Not here, the next bounce. This becomes your range. This becomes just a massive liquidity tap on each side. And then right here, this is where you can buy the bottom side, sell the top side. You do that over and over again. And then you can start looking for alts and stuff like that. You can look at your breakers and play those breakers in between and things like that. That's totally fine, okay? And you're probably going to come down here. You're probably going to come back up here, back down there. Come up here, a liquidity tap, right? You're looking for a deviation. See if it holds the high. It doesn't. It falls back down. What do you think is going to happen here? It's going to come down here. Oh, God, it's going to crash on nothing. Liquidity tap. Once it gets back above here, you target the highs again. You do that, right? Over and over and over again until eventually expansion up. Or down, right? Either way. But the point is, hopefully, at this point, we can figure out whether or not it's accumulation or distribution based upon the price action that we're getting, right? And you get yourself into a position, this period of time. Okay, this is where you get your long-term positions at, right here. Okay, you will have time. Don't worry, you won't catch the bottom. That's okay. You don't have to catch the bottom. If you want to play the stupid game of buying right here, going down there and selling up here, cool. I'm all about it, guys. If you want to get some really quick, really quick 100% gain, do it. I'm all about it. Okay, because yes, this is violence. It's absolute violence. It's crazy. It's insane. Spot positions can make a shit ton of money if you're able to, use patience and watch the numbers drop down way below what you thought was possible. Okay, and then once you get in here, then you can start establishing your ranges. Right. This is still an extraordinarily dangerous point. Right. So you have tight stop losses, and then all of a sudden, this is when you're like, oh my God. It broke up. There you go. And now you can start accumulating on these retracements, right? Then you can start having your retracement levels, and you change the market structure, things like that. This is how you play capitulations. This is how you play a basing market structure. Okay, so you have your consolidation or distribution, and you have your markup and markdowns. Okay, until we get that markup and markdown, don't look for the damn long-term holds, right? Just take what the market gives you. These are all scalps. That's all you're doing. Buy here, sell here, buy here, sell here, or short here, close here, short here, close here. Either way, okay? And you can also make, ranges inside ranges. You'll see some symmetrical triangles form. You'll see some wedges form. You'll see all these different things, right? Like you can do all that in here, but you don't even worry about that, guys. That's totally out of the question until we actually start doing this. Okay, Christopher, I got you, buddy. Give me 1 second. I'm going to show you what I'm looking for. Does this all make sense? All right, like I just want you guys to understand. Like, does this make sense? Is this, yeah? Does this make sense? That's what I'm trying to look for here. Okay, I know it's a lot of information, and I know it's crazy and everything else, but like this is how you make money during capitulative moments. Buying too early. For a long-term position, you're going to get burned very harshly, right? Yeah. All right, let's see. Come back up here. All right, this is my I think would be this is my relatively safe area, okay? If I get a position beneath 20,000 to 8,000, I'm very happy with that. I think this is actually fairly reasonable prices, okay? I know that may sound insane, but capitulations are different than every other scenario. I'm telling you guys, it's so fucking insane. Okay? And also, you're going to have liquidity issues. You're going to have exchanges go down. You're going to have mass chaos. All right? We saw what happened with Luna Terra, right? Like, that amount of just absolute absurdity is just insane, right? But this is what I'm looking for my range. Somewhere between 8,000 and 20,000. 8,800 had a ton of significance back in 2017, 2017, 2018, 8,000 was so significant. That's why, shit, it's not even on here. That's why I like this level as like my realistic target. I think that makes a lot of sense. So 8,000 was a ton of, it was a very significant level. So you had, what was all the reasonings? This reason right here. There you go. This entire cluster right here acted as a lot of support resistance way back in the day, okay? And you can see how much 8,000, how significant it was throughout the entire period of history, okay? Like 8,000 was a very important level, so that's why I like this region, okay? I think this is probably realistically, this is the worst case scenario for Bitcoin on a capitulation in my mind. Okay, I think anything below here is probably not going to get filled. I don't think it has really any chance. I think 8,000 would be a hold. But I would not be surprised if people get filled at 8,000. I think it's actually possible if we do get a full-on capitulative event. Right now, we have not had it yet. Okay, we have not. So, I want you guys to fully grasp that. We have not had a true capitulative event yet. Okay, this sucked. Okay, but it can get worse. Okay, it can get worse. Question on here was, is USDT in danger? I don't know. I honestly don't know. It would be a really good narrative to fit my bias, right? I am expecting more downside, guys. I really am. I think that makes the most sense based upon the market structure, based upon how we're currently rejecting off this daily breaker, based upon just this entire structure. I think this looks bearish to me. So I'm assuming we're going to go down until we make a higher high. Now, I am willing to take this bid, okay? This support level, I do think, has a good chance of holding. And this is the level I'd be looking to trade. And so right now, the trade I'm looking for, that's one of them. Where's the other one at? All right, there we go. These are the trades I want, okay? These are the 3 trades that I am pretty damn comfortable in taking right now, okay? And these are high position, high conviction, really tough. These are really high conviction trades I have right now, okay? This 4-hour breaker, come down here, establish a higher low, and then I'll be a compound entry. I'll do 2 entries on this. One will be targeting this 4-hour breaker. The other one is targeting this 4-hour breaker, which also coincides pretty damn close with the massive parallel channel that we've had. All right, it's pretty close. It's not perfect, but I think it's close enough so I won't get that uncomfortable being in this trade. I don't want to get greedy on it, right? Where's the channel at? Yeah, so you guys can see how this will work, right? So this is basically the channel. So if you go back to the 4-hour, you can look, right? Is it touching it? No. Is it close? Yeah, it's pretty damn close, right? So I want to exit this position before we actually touch that channel, right? But this trade makes sense. And if we are able to bust above this breaker, I would also be interested if we can get a decent close to compound this, right? Because I closed this out, I'd be willing to compound it and then continue up to 34,000, 34.5, 34.3, whatever the fuck it is, right? This is the only trade I'm looking at right now. This is it, guys. I don't want to mess with literally anything else, all right? So let me tell you a story about how I got absolutely wrecked on this capitulation, okay? And I did. I got absolutely destroyed on this, okay? Let me tell you a quick story. This is called RTBro fucked up and forgot that slippage and liquidity were issues. Basically what happened, okay? This is the issue. I was trading some god-awful low market cap stuff, okay? Coin market cap. So if you go over here, I have 2 coins. I had 2 coins that very low market cap, right? I love low market cap because guess what? That means you have a lot of opportunity to increase your market cap, right? So $21 million in market cap is literally nothing. That's incredibly low, has incredibly high potential. I liked it. Made a lot of sense. In a normal ranging market, these are amazing to trade because the amount of potential is astronomically high, right? That makes sense. If this 10x'd in price, it would still be a shitcoin, okay? Same thing with this one, Voracity. Okay, $38 million in market cap. Again, if it 10x'd in price, it would still not be anywhere near the top 10 or even on the top 100 probably, okay? These are coins that I was really, really interested in because the technicals look really good. Low market cap, I'm like, all right, great. I want these coins because I think they have a ton of potential, etc. Cool, right? Here's the issue. Cool. I went into some big trades with these coins. All right, I had quite a few of them. Okay, and over here, I was like, oh shit, we're losing this channel. This sucks. I need to get out of these trades. And so I went on the market and I was like, well, let's see how I can dump these coins. Guess what? No buyers. Okay. If I was to sell my Voracity into the open market, the price of Voracity on that exchange would drop by 10% instantly. I'm not even joking, guys. I was like, oh my God. So here's the deal. I couldn't sell. I literally could not sell. The only way that you can get sell a decent amount of coins is by doing this, right? Swing failure patterns, right? You've ever heard, I talked about that before. So essentially what happens, during a downtrend, people are selling, right? If people are selling and the market's dropping, guess what's not happening? Okay. People are not actually placing large enough orders over here on the downside so that I can actually sell into them. So if I was to sell, it would drop the price down tremendously more because it would wipe out all the liquidity and have a ton of slippage on the exchange. So the only way that you can really get rid of these coins is by waiting for the bounces. And as the bounce happens, you essentially ladder out. So whenever the bounce happens, you'd be like, okay, cool, got out, then they can continue going back down. So what I did is I was placing these bids out there, being like, all right, come on. Someone take my damn coins off my hands. Someone take my damn coins off my hands, because I wanted to get out of these trades. The problem was, though, this bounce didn't go high enough. It kept going down. I'm like, oh my God. And it just kept dropping. That's what happened. I was like, okay, cool. Well, if it dropped down here, I'll probably get a decent bounce up here, let it go. That's good. Issue was, I never actually got filled. Guess what? I'm still stuck with my coins, and the price keeps dropping down further, right? So I had to just buckle up and say, well, this sucks ass, but I'm going to keep holding this sucker down because I don't have an option, all right? So eventually we did hit a capitulative bottom, or, at least I think a temporary capitulative bottom. And what I do, I had my quant stamp, and I said, well, I'm going to start selling my quant stamp really low and laddering this sucker back out here, right? So that's what happened. And I was able to get I got all of my bids actually filled down here. I abandoned that and I abandoned that. I didn't even get these filled. I completely just gave up on that and I just took my loss way down here. Cool, right? KNC, similar situation, right? Couldn't sell, not enough liquidity. Voracity, similar situation as well. We just kept dropping. So it is what it is, guys. It sucked. It really, really sucked. Fortunately, though, this morning I was able to get out of all of my low market cap coins. So Voracity, QuantStamp, and KNC, I am out. I'm out. I took my losses and I'm licking my wounds. Okay. But the important thing is, right, you learn from your mistakes. And obviously I made a huge mistake. But I learned from it. All right. And that's the important thing. So my mistake that I learned from is that although these coins did me really, really, really well during, I traded a lot of really, really low market cap coins and made some incredible gains off of them, okay, back in the day. BNB was really, well, I guess BNB wasn't that low, but BNB was low, Solana was low, Cardano was low, Ravencoin was low, Doge was low, ENJ was low. All these coins I had bags of, and this was like dirt cheap, okay, dirt cheap. And yet each one of those coins got between 1,000 and 3,000% gains for me on each one of those coins. Okay. Because I bought in so low, I was able to accumulate over time, right? But if you have to sell, you have to wait for the bounce. So because of that, because we're in this potentially capitulative moment right now, where it very well could drop further, do you think I'm touching these? No, absolutely not. Because if the market turns on itself again, I do not want to be in anything that I can't sell. Okay? And I hope that whole thing made sense, and that's why I was screwed. I was screwed. This entire downtrend, I literally could not sell. So, I'm in a lot better spot now, obviously. We did make a really good play on Mana yesterday. Mana was questionable on how it was a really good play, but it doesn't have as much market cap as I wanted it to have. So if you go to Mana, ranked 37, market cap of 2 billion. I was like, you know what? I bet I can get rid of these. And sure enough, I did. So I was able to actually sell at a good price. We made like almost 50% gains on that one, I think. So it was really good, right? But obviously, yeah. So we did do really good on Mana. We made a lot of money on that, which is really, really good. I'm still down a lot from whenever I was yesterday or 3 days ago, okay? That being said, I'm recovering. I'll be fine. It's just you got to work your way back into it, right? So because of that, I do have tight stop losses, and I'm only trading coins that have a lot of liquidity. That's essentially where I'm going with that, okay? Liquidity absolutely just destroyed me in this situation. So basically any coin that's under 50 or under 50 or over 50, I guess you want to look at it. I'm only trading coins rank 1 down to rank 50. That's my new rule. And also, I'm going to go on my exchanges and make sure that I actually, like, there's legitimately enough volume on that exchange for that coin, right? And you can go on here to CoinMarketCap and really see that and see what the volume is to see if, like, you're not going to just completely just wipe the liquidity, right? So, and also it depends upon your size and things like that, but I promise you, it doesn't take that much coins to move the market a lot whenever a downtrend's happening, like a capitulative event, and there's you're in a really, really low market cap coin. Okay, it does not take much. So if I was trading a $20 million coin, this one is 1.8 billion. So obviously a lot more liquidity, which is why I felt okay with entering this position. Okay, all right. So learn my lesson. Holy hell, that sucked ass. But I have new rules. I have new focus. I have how I'm doing this, and I'm good to go. So, yeah. Does that all make sense? Do you have any questions about that, or why I'm doing, high market cap coins from here on out, etc.? And now, okay. Additional, like I was telling you guys, once you have a base established, okay, especially once you have a markup, don't you think I'd be looking to get back into those shit coins again? Yes, right? Absolutely. I'm going to find the next Cardano like I did last time, or Solana, or, whatever, right? That's when you start looking for those shit coins that you can have low liquidity on because the market trend is up. That's fine, okay? As long as you take profits along the way, that's fine, okay? But what I did was it was a stupid situation I got myself in, and I didn't even realize how bad it was going to be. So, sucks to suck. I still have coins I can't get rid of. It's a very low amount of coins, but I still have some that I can't get rid of. Like, literally can't. Not enough buyers for them. So, is what it is. All right. So, with all of that being said, let's talk about how's Bitcoin doing right now. This is my trade right here. As you guys know, this is what I want. I don't want anything else. This is literally all I'm. This is the only trade that I feel comfortable in right now. And if we lose that, okay, if we come down here and bounce, great, right? If we come down here, show bearish market structure, it's going to get really ugly, okay? Really ugly. Okay, this is what I'm looking for. And if I lose this, I'm going to likely just place my bids all up and down this sucker, sit back and just wait. I'm holding no coins now. I have almost everything in US dollars or Tether right now. If you go back in here, look at this. 100% US dollar. 100%. I sold everything this morning. My last sale has been completed, 100% fiat. Gonna do another live soon, and I can explain why. See? After we got that rejection right there, I went 100% fiat. Okay, I own nothing. Now, I have some little, like, garbage on MetaMask and things like that. That's, like, not very much and things like that. And I just transferred all my funds from KuCoin over, so I don't have entirely all 100% anymore. But it's still, like, I think I only own, like, I own a little bit of Bitcoin, probably, like, a quarter of position size I normally play. And honestly, Bitcoin, I'm still okay holding because obviously there's plenty of liquidity. So I don't have any coin I'm scared out of it right now. None. Zero, zip, nada. I feel great. I ate all my losses. I took a massive loss. But you know what? Drink my Dr. Pepper. I feel good. Yep. So capital preservation, risk management is absolutely essential. All of my entries from here on out, because of the style of trading I'm doing, I'm not doing positional, and I'm not doing swing trading anymore. I'm done, right? Until we actually get a reason to switch over, I'm doing short-term scalping like I was doing back in 2018 and 19. This is short-term scalping. That's it. This is exactly what I'm used to, exactly what I love doing. I'm really, really good at this style of trading. That's it. So buy at support, sell at resistance, go away. That's all I'm doing. So no long-term holds whatsoever. High conviction, high R, low risk plays. That's it. Like this right here. So give me an idea. This right here is a 17 R trade. Pretty damn good, right? Dude, you got to join Discord, man. I'm sorry. Like it's that's where all the money's at, or that's where all the really good stuff is at. Here you go, 4-hour trade right here, 4.28 trade. That means I can take this trade 4 times, and as long as I win one of them, I'm up. Makes sense, right? Right here, 14-hour trade. Do you think I want to take this trade? Absolutely, right? That makes a lot of sense. Am I going to target higher? No, I'm taking my profits right here, and I'm going to wait. Okay. Now, if we do get back in this region, then we can start talking about maybe that was it. Maybe this was all the dip is going to be. We get back into the channel. We recover into it. We're starting to trade bullishly. Now we can start looking to maybe this last dip isn't going to happen, right? It's always possible, right? But there's a lot of work that has to get done first. A lot of work. Get back in this channel. Specifically, I want to see it get above 40,000. I think that'd be like my key levels I'm looking for. But yeah, there we are. So either way you go, guys. I know a lot of people are hoping that this is going to be a quick down, out. We can all move on. It's all going to be great. Roses and sunshines, etc. I hate to tell you guys this. It's not what's going to happen. Sorry. It's just not. So you guys can see this is the capitulation that happened in March. Remember, this is a bull run. This is the start of a bull run. Okay. This is after the bear market is over. The bear market already happened. And this still, after this entire event happened, this still took 47 days to break out. Still took 47 days to break out. And it took us 3 months to break above the previous high. And this is the bull market, guys. This is the beginning of the bull market. You can see, okay? So even if this is it's over, right? The capitulation is over. This will still take time, okay? Very rarely are you going to get just, shit, I need another, when I change different, this should work. Let's go to the BLX chart, actually. BLX is fine. Or, no, not CMA. Where's BLX? Fuck! BLX. Okay. Brave New Coin Index, all right? Look at these capitulations we've had, okay? These things don't work themselves out instantly, okay? Like this is the capitulation we had back in November 2018. I was here for this one as well, right? We dropped down. We kept diving. We had our exit pump like I talked about, right? I told you guys, exit pump. But guess what? Exit pump. And then we range and based, like I told you guys, plenty of time. Don't stress. Plenty of time. Then you mark up. Then you can enter into large positions. Okay? This is your accumulation zone, though. This is where you accumulate. This is where you play the ranges, okay? And it's boring and it sucks. And just from massive volatility, now you just start ranging. And what does this look like, guys? What does this look like? This massive consolidation, right? You have this huge drop. All right, let's do this. You have a huge drop. What does that look like? Bear flag, right? Guys, I was here. I'm telling you guys, people thought this is a bear flag. We're going to drop down lower. Where's the target? 1,800. I remember that so well. 1,800 was the level everyone was looking at. Right here. And this is going to be the real bottom. Everyone said that. Okay? 1,800 was this mass consolidation over here. It makes a lot of sense in the technicals, right? That being said, we never actually got it. We marked up. But until we actually get the markup, we can't really make any sort of like real assumption here, okay? My wife just got home, so I don't know if I'll be on much longer, guys. Didn't expect her home this early, but, you know, it is what it is. It is what it is. I ain't mad. I like her. She's pretty cool. So yeah, you guys can see how this works though. Like it's not going to be a simple process, and it's not going to be pretty. It's not going to be what you might be expecting. V-shaped bottoms are very, very, very rare. Okay, even this V-shaped bottom, like we showed you guys, was a lot less V-shaped than what it looked like. Right? It does not look like a V-shaped bottom. Over here, right? We had this drop right here. What happened? Grinded our way out. What does this look like? Bear flag, right? We know it didn't. It wasn't a bear flag. It kept going up. But like this is what you're expecting, guys. So, yeah. Bitcoin update. I got you, buddy. Here's the Bitcoin update. Ready for this? I'm expecting this. Drop down here, this 4-hour breaker. I'm taking this trade. If we hold this level, great. We can target up here, maybe 34,000. If we don't hold this level, which I actually think is going to happen, I think we're not going to hold it. But risk to reward makes sense. I'm cool with that. If we do not hold it, what's going to happen? We go lower. Right? What is this? I don't know why I did that. There you go. These are my trades. If I can get them, I'm taking them. Okay. If we fall through here, we're going to go lower. Where am I going to go? This is my wick zone. Wick zone. Okay. I'm not saying sustained trading down here. Wick, sell, then we range. Like I just showed you guys, all the bases we were talking about, right? All those bases. Oh, this is me a bad chart again, isn't it? Yeah. All these bases, right? Down. Which one is this? Yeah, COVID. Down, up, base. Down, up, base. Down, up, base. Okay, liquidity sweep, base, base, base. This is what you're looking for, guys. Like this is what I'm expecting in the future. This basic drop, and understand this as well, guys. Okay. This exchange actually wasn't as brutal as others. Let's go to there. 58% increase on just Bitcoin. Okay. Bitcoin today had like what, like a 20% increase, maybe 15 from yesterday. And there are other altcoins that had like Mana, right? It had a 50% increase, 50 or 60, something like that. So if Bitcoin is getting a 50% increase, you can imagine other coins as well. So, and again, sell that, then you start playing this ranges. Okay. This is the trading I love. I'm used to. I like it. It's well established, well defined. But guys, it sucks ass in the middle of it because there's like no volatility once it starts really getting stable. Yep, that's it. And then alts just get wrecked the whole time. But yep. Sit go. Oh, let's talk about this though. I do want to talk about this. Technicals, Bitcoin dominance. Why do I not want to be trading Bitcoin or altcoins right now? Because see where we're trading at? Bad levels. Bad levels. We are now above this trend line. We are also above the weekly breaker. We're now in a new range. Okay? This means Bitcoin is sucking the money out of the market. Okay? Bitcoin is the winner right now. And until we actually start losing these levels again, or at least showing some sort of bearish structure here, Bitcoin is going to lose dominance. Or I'm sorry, altcoins are going to continue losing dominance. That's why I don't want to be in alts. No interest at all. You go back here. I had this cheat sheet, right? Where's that? There you go. This is a cheat sheet I had, right? Jump into Bitcoin or fiat. Alts just following Bitcoin, nothing crazy, right? Money rotating into alts from Bitcoin, and then this is altcoin season, okay? If I'm following my cheat sheet and not changing my plan, which is generally, you know, what you want to do, Jump into Bitcoin or fiat. It does not mention altcoins. Jump into Bitcoin or fiat. That's it, guys. I cannot stress it enough. Bitcoin is king, and it's time for the king to be your source of security because money is hemorrhaging from alts right now. And we can see that based upon this chart. Money is hemorrhaging away from altcoins and going into Bitcoin. Okay. Yeah. Do you guys have any questions? Thoughts on Solana? It's garbage. I mean, I don't know, man. Let's look at Solana. I'll look at it for you just to see. I do actually. It's one of the coins I am interested in trading just because it has enough market cap, it has enough volume and all that stuff. Let's look at this chart. Holy shit. Let's do this. Bop. Clear it. New chart. Fresh perspective. Fresh look. Monthly breaker. Right there. That's interesting, right? I like this. Okay, monthly breaker bounced off it really nice. I do like that. I would say this weekly is actually still significant. I think so. I think it's still significant. I like that. 3-day, nothing. Daily, nothing. 4-hour. I'd be taking massive profits in this region. Massive profits. If I was in Solana, this is the absolute highest I'd be looking for. Now, as far as a low time frame trade, if you are bullish on this coin and you really just want to force out something, okay, and I don't even think it's that bad of an idea, honestly. If you wanted to, well, that was your entry. That's your entry. That being said, if you want to enter into a position like around here and target up here, I think it's fairly safe. Right, like there. Risk defined right there. 5.2R. You know what? It's not horrible. It's not. It's not horrible. I actually don't necessarily hate this. I'm considering it actually. On the hourly, we've reclaimed this. We did hold it. Risk reward solid. What do you guys think? $99. What do you guys think? Is this a good trade? I sort of think it is. I think it is. What do you guys think? I don't hate it. I really don't. I really do not hate this trade at all. You'd have to target up there, though. Do you think so? I think it actually makes sense. I think my risk is well defined. No, I don't like my risk. I don't think it's well defined. Nope, nope, nope. I don't, because here's the issue, right? That 4-hour breaker is your support level, right? So that means realistically, I'd have to drop my risk reward down here, and now we start losing my levels I want. No, I think I missed it. Is this the opportunity you needed to take it? Yeah, of course. That's really good risk reward. But realistically, I'd have to go lower than this low over here to really. No, I'm not gonna do it. I'm out. I'm not gonna do it. I was really considering it, but the risk to reward doesn't make sense at this point. Yeah, doesn't make sense. And we've already bounced. If I was to see this and enter that trade on this retracement down here, I would be interested, but I don't think it makes sense now. No, I'm good. I'm out. All right. Let's do this. CoinMarketCap, Ethereum. I'm going to go down the list of all the coins I might actually be wanting to trade. Watch list. Close all of these. I don't care about any of them anymore. Top 50 market cap. This is going to be a rename. Top 50 market cap. All right. This is my watch list. That's what it means. Okay. Solana. FCX. Good chart. Not bad. Yep, cool with that. Okay. Ethereum, obviously. Ethereum, Coinbase is plenty. Let's go over here to BNB. Is BNB on Coinbase? I'm not sure. Let's look. I think it is. Pretty sure it is. Oh my gosh. Are you kidding me? Markets. I don't think it is. Really interesting. Yep. Guess not. No, I'm not. I'm not gonna do it. If you guys want to, you can, but the risk is not well defined enough for me. I'm out. So no, I'm not interested in BNB because I can't trade on Coinbase, and I'm only doing Coinbase, guys. I cannot stress it enough. Okay. Okay. So BNB. Let's look at Ethereum. Is this interesting? High time frame. There's not really much support over here. Obviously, this is like the key level. Let's go down to weekly. That'd be an incredible opportunity down there. Oh, shit. Ah. That'd be really good. This level is a weekly, and it was just tested. Okay. Well, I know why it's supported here. Solid level to actually bounce from. It looks like a sweep of most of the lows. Not all of them. Sweeping this low would be really nice. Did we sweep here? No, maybe. Did we? Oh my gosh. No, we did not. Sweeping that low would actually be a pretty nice, a nice one. I think that'd make a lot of sense. So sweep, sweep, sweep. These are all levels I'd be interested in. 3-day. Yeah, obviously there. I don't see us tagging this level for a long time, but daily, okay. Clear level of resistance. Oops. Okay, clear level of resistance. It's really small, but I think that daily is actually really significant. This daily, I think, is actually pretty significant. You guys see that? Support? No. That's tough. I'm going to go ahead and just say no. I think it's too far away from it. What about the BNB or Ethereum pairing? I know Ethereum pairing has been talked about a lot. Oh, shit. Oh, man, guys. Oh, this is almost really bad. Well, It's a support till it's not. I'll give you that. But whoa. This is how brutal things can get for the alts. If Ethereum breaks down from this, like, whoa. There's nothing below us at all. Wow. Holy crap. That is disgusting, guys. This could get really bad for Ethereum. And the rest of the altcoins. Whoa. Let's go ahead and post this in here. Yeah, that's crazy, guys. That's crazy. That's absolutely insane. Like we are that level. Whoa. And Ethereum, if it drops, guys, I cannot stress it enough. There's $249 billion in market cap. The next highest one is BNB at 1/5 the market cap. That would wreck the altcoins. Like, wreck them, guys. And given the strength that we're seeing on here, watch. Yep, I agree. Like, this is what I'm looking for right there. I really do think that Bitcoin is going to be. I would really be careful on anything but Bitcoin here. I think Bitcoin's the winner. I really do think that, guys. There's times to put the foot on the gas for Bitcoin, and now's that time. I'm not interested in I'm not interested in it. Holy shit. Wow. 200. Look at the 200 moving average just get lost and just capitulate down below it. Finding support right now, but guys, this is not a strong support level, and I think it's a weekly breaker. No? What is that? Okay, I don't know what that was, but there's definitely some sort of a pivot over here. I'm not sure exactly what level. Oh, here it is. This pivot right there. You lose that, it is lights out. Done. 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 Ethereum is screwed. Wow. Wow. Okay. Give me a sec. Look at what that says. All right, cool. Let's see this. Oh man, so she expects. That's crazy, dude. This is nuts, man. Her like the astrological crap that she talks about. It's nuts, but she has a hell of a hit rate right now. Hell of a hit rate. It's impressive, honestly. All right. Okay. So yeah, Ethereum looks rough. Rough, to say the least. Let's look at Cardano. I'm not interested in XRP. It's not on Coinbase. I just, yeah. Now, this is actually interesting. Okay. I like this region. Weekly 200 moving average been tested. Interesting. I'm actually curious here. Weekly here as well. Oh, also, when you are looking at these altcoins, I highly, highly, highly recommend pulling up the log chart. Okay, it really helps with you on finding these key levels. Okay, because look, this is what you see on log. This is what you see without. You see how hard this is to really, it all like blends together. Do that, and it makes charting so much easier. Okay, it sucks, you know, but it helps make these levels very clear. Like this is a clear resistance. Okay, so if I was in Cardano right now, I'd be looking to get out at this level. Okay, if you lose this, where are you targeting? Down here, this cluster. If I was again in Cardano, this is where I would look for. Down here, down here. Yep. Wow, it's nuts. Orange. Made a lot of money off Cardano, guys. Made a lot of money off of it. But all good things come to an end. Damn. That's rough. Okay, next. Solana, what I talked about. Doge. Throwing that sucker up there. There's actually a really important level on Doge that I do want to go big on if we get it. Don't know if we ever will, but if we do, I will absolutely go big on Doge. Okay, monthly, no. This weekly, though, I would consider this entire region to be a support level, this entire consolidation cluster. More specifically, this little block right here, which we actually have not touched yet. Got really close. We actually touched it yet. So if we do get a dip down to this region, I'd actually be interested in picking up some Doge, right? Now, as a caveat to that, how do I do this? I want to do this. I want to make it to where I have the BTC pairings as well as Solana. Okay. Doge. Okay, perfect. This region right down here is so important. Okay. This one, more specifically, this one. These two levels are super critical. We haven't actually touched it yet, but these two levels are so important to me, especially this one. Okay. If you go back in time, you can look at this, right? So this weekly, that's what it was. Weekly breaker right back here. Look at this shit. This is incredible. And I played this for a long time. I was trading this back here. Weekly breaker. Okay. Test, test, test. Actually was a bull trap. Okay. But tested, failed. Test, test. Broke above, retest. At this retest, I actually went really heavy into Doge. I went really heavy into Doge over here because we flipped it from a resistance to a support. And I was like, oh shit, Doge is taking off. And we did. Now, this was actually around 6 or 7 cents when I bought in on this particular one. But I owned Doge. I was accumulating it way down here for at 0.6 cents. This is 1,000% higher. Yeah, 1,000% higher. But I was like, I'm still going to buy in because I think this actually looks really, really good. So I did. I bought in right there. And as you can see, it did go up. Now, I sold too early. Okay, I sold way too early. I sold at 12 cents and 18 cents. So I made 200 and 300% profit on this bounce. But obviously, I would have made a lot more if I just held on to it. But yeah, if I get a retest down there, I'd be ecstatic. if I can get that. But even if I get this one, I'd still be very happy about it because it's a 4-hour breaker. And there was also a lot of price action that happened over here. It's like the top of this structure. So essentially, like, we're almost there. And I'll go heavy in a Doge. I don't give a fuck. Okay. USD. Top 50 market cap. Symbol ADA ADA. Oh, Ethereum BTC. Ethereum BTC. Oh, God. Die, Bevi. What's up, buddy? How you doing, man? Okay. Yeah, nothing really gets me too excited right now yet on these coins. Our levels are clearly defined. Um, oh, this is pretty cool, right? This has been my chart for a long time. Okay, I've talked about this for a very long time. This level is the long-term accumulation zone, golden pocket, the entire structure. So this is essentially the region I'm looking for, like, long-term positions. Okay, in here, this is the golden pocket. It's the entire structure. It makes a lot of sense. The only thing is we don't have the price action yet to support this being the bottom yet. Okay, so I do still think we'll go down deeper in here, but this is the area that I've been looking for a very long time for the accumulation for the next movement up. Okay. So just to be, make sure you guys are tracking that. 29,000. How are we on the low time frame? All right. Looks shitty. I love it. Bounce. Rejected. I want here. I want here. This is where I want. Okay. Next coin. Dot. Polka dot. Where was I at? Oh, over here. Okay, dot. Oh my gosh. Did we actually get it? No, we didn't. We didn't actually touch it. Okay. So if we do come down here to this big accumulation range, I would be interested in accumulating down here. Okay. That is like the region I've been looking for. Oops. Not enough volume. I don't know why. It's weird. I would think you had more volume here. But like, so this is a resistance. Okay. So just like with Bitcoin, get above here. I'd be interested in targeting up here. But right now, I'm not. I'm interested in down here because we're still beneath this level. So, but that's my key level. I think that makes a lot of sense. It looks like it bounced here. Shit, I think I missed this one. Yep. This breaker is what gave us support. Well, that sucks. Well, next test, it should fail. Go back down further. I'd be interested in picking some up down here, though. I think it makes a lot of sense. I think dot would not be a bad longer-term hold coin. I don't think so. I don't think it'd be that bad. Oh, right here. Huh, interesting. So this is going to be a, okay, watch list over here. Dot watch list. Okay. Can I sort by volume? No, I don't think I can. Okay, Avalanche, AVAX. I don't know what I was thinking of here. Deviation from range. Don't know. But now, so here's the issue you're going to run into, okay? This structure looks very unhealthy. Very unhealthy. Okay. Clear base of accumulation. We made an entire round, and now we're back down in this accumulation range. So now my next range is essentially from here, 19 up to here. So if I was looking to buy, I'd be looking to buy essentially below $19. Okay. So like this looks very unhealthy. The only spot I'd be interested in buying is way down there. That's it. I don't have any interest in this current level. Wow. That's crazy. It's gonna drop so damn far, but that's what I want. I want AVAX down 16. It would make a lot of sense, but right now at this current level, no interest whatsoever. Yeah. Yep. It's a massive loss right here. Massive, massive, massive loss. If I was to buy there, I'd be targeting 40. And that's it. No higher. AVAX. On this pairing, I don't know. Monthly breaker, I guess it's, I don't know. Let's clear this off. Clear everything, start fresh. Clean resistance. This is a clean support, I will say that. It's a very wide area, so I don't really like it. But that entire region is technically support. Gosh, nothing here, guys. Probably the best region I have is right there, and I don't even like it. It was already tested so aggressively. I just don't like it, guys. I just don't like this chart. But I'm adding my watch list because, you know, who knows. Okay. Let's do by volume. Change, I'll get rid of change. Amounts. Percentages, last. Okay, cool. There you go. I want to see, so volume is really important to me. I want to know how much. Oh, this is on that exchange. Shit. Damn it. No. It's really all I need. Just those three. Why do they get so much room over here for change? It shouldn't. Whatever. All right. Do. All right. How's Bitcoin holding up? DOT had a really, really strong bounce here. So really strong bounce. I do think it's going to crash, but it's a strong bounce. I will definitely give it that. All right, that's out. It's out. It's out. It's out. It's out. It's out. It's out. Voracity out, 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 out. I still have a little bit of that. A little bit of that. I'll just get rid of both. All right, cool. Sweet. All I have is Bitcoin and US Terra. I can get rid of Terra. I don't even care about that anymore. I do want to follow the USDT though. I do want to see how USDT is holding up. I think it's pretty important because it's not entirely pegged, and I don't think there's a legitimate risk here. I really don't, based upon what I've been looking into, which is admittedly not that much. Right? I'm not a fundamentals guy. Yeah. Okay. What else you got going on? Ugh. Ugh. All right, what's next? Avalanche Tron. I don't want to fuck with Tron. I'm pretty sure that's the one that is okay. Can someone in the chat help me out? Isn't Tron like almost identical to Luna on the algorithmic stablecoin crap? Isn't it like identical? Linty, I have talked about it, buddy. I have. Go to playlist, Trading 101. What exchanges should I use? A 52-minute video just over that, right? I would definitely go into that because it really dives into a lot of the details on it because it's every exchange is different, and it's not very clear on like it depends on what you're looking for. Okay, it really depends. It honestly does. So if you're looking for like low fees, that's one thing. If you look for security, another thing. If you're looking for liquidity, another thing. Altcoin pairings, another thing. If you want to do margin trading, another thing. So like, there's all different things you got to look for, and like, there's not a clear-cut answer that anyone can answer for you. The only one that I hate is Binance US. That's the only one I hate. I just do not like that exchange. I think it's very shady. Outside of that, yeah, whatever. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and place this back on there because obviously it doesn't adjust the numbers on there anyway. So whatever. Okay, still dipping. I really think we're gonna get this dive down here. I really think this is I think that this is a temporary bounce, and we're gonna see one of these two things happen: come down here, get my fill, we go up, right, or we crash through, in which case, you know, shit's on fire, yo. That's where I'm at right now, guys. Oh, I don't want to open that up. Sorry, I don't. I'm a member of Credible Cryptos Academy. Like, no shit. He's one of my, he's who I learned a lot of my stuff from. So, he's my boy. I love him. He's a good guy, good person, etc. So I like supporting him. And I do go on there occasionally, but I don't think it's really fair for me to go through his Discord and share his information with everybody else on stream. I think it's, not really, it's not fair to him. I think he's actually suspending payments right now anyway, but regardless. So yeah. Tron. What was I doing? Tron, TRX. Yeah, I thought TRX was actually algorithmic trading crap. That, like, it wasn't really supposed to. It has like a stable coin attached to it. Pretty sure that's what happened before. I don't know. Either way, I'll add it on there, but I really don't think I want to trade it until I know for sure that it's not going to be a scam like Luna. It's very possible. TRX. Also, is Tron even on Coinbase? Nope. All right, don't care. All right, that was a long story for no reason. I don't care about it. Shiba. Hey, the Shiba. The Shiba coin. Shiba Inu. Okay, and I don't think there is a. I don't think there's a BTC pairing you can look on. I don't think there's actually anyone trading Shiba BTC. Um, no, calculated by TradingView. Let's see. What? Okay, increase intervals. Shit. Yeah, I can't even use this. All right, whatever, it's gone. All right, move on from that one. That was fun. Let's look at Shiba though. You guys know I don't care about the fundamentals, or I don't really care about what coin it is. I just care about is whether or not it looks healthy or not. Which, oh man, son of a bitch, guys. This was the mass accumulation range. Oh my gosh. This was like, oh, Lindsay, don't stress, bro. It's no big deal at all. This was the spot to buy it. You guys can see we were trading this range way back in the day on it. I don't know if I really want to trade this at all now. I think I missed it. I think so. I don't know, guys. This sucks. This really sucks because it was inside this consolidation range for 180, 130 days, just ranging around here. And now we just tested the top side of the range. If we fall back in there again, I don't even know if I'd want to trade it. I don't think I would, honestly. I don't think I'd want to trade it if it fell back any lower. Let's look at a higher time frame, see if maybe there's a good support level on here. Maybe here. Maybe. Wow, that's crazy. Maybe there. I don't know. Guys, this is rough. That was the opportunity to buy. That was it. That was the bot. That was it. That was the opportunity. The best risk reward you could have possibly gotten was right there. Okay. Well, I messed up. And I don't know if I'd want to buy it again if it came down in there again. Honestly, I don't know if I would. Oh, that sucks. All right, whatever. Is what it is. Let's go back. Let's find the next one. Shiba Inu BTC. Let's go back down here. Die. Don't care. Polymatic. I don't know what Matic looks like nowadays. I have no clue. I haven't looked at this coin in so long. It looked like crap, so I just sort of like left it die. Matic. Clean level though. Clean level. I would like it here. This is the area I would look to buy. 50% drawdown from right now, but as we know, it's not unrealistic. Down here too. Pretty good opportunities right in those regions. Matic support. Yeah, I know. Matic weekly support. I need to actually start tagging stuff. Okay. Yep, I know. Okay. Matic weekly support. Yep. Okay, anything Fibonacci region? Nope. Okay, this is the retest of the tops. Fuck. Can you imagine this retest? Oh my gosh. It would be another 100% drop, basically. 80% drop. $94 drop. You know what? I'm adding it. I don't care. This is a really good opportunity if I can get it. I didn't think a lot of my bids on Luna would get, or a lot of my triggers on Luna would get set ever, but obviously every one of them got set. Matic, top side of range. Bullish. Okay. As far as right now at these levels, no, nothing. I don't really see anything I really want here. Yeah, get into the habit of using the log chart. I'm telling you, it's going to help you out tremendously. Matic, BTC. All right, now we're getting a chart I can use. 3-day right here, perfect, beautiful. I like this level. Okay, looks good. So in a real capitulation, these are levels I'd be looking at. Okay, like if I got some dips down to these levels, I'd pick them up. Yeah, of course I would, right? Matic. Oh shit. And like this looks like it's close together, these two, but this is a 16% decrease on the pairing, right? That's a lot. It's a fucking lot. Okay. All right, cool. Next one is 18. Let's do this. I'm going to go through and actually label and set my alerts for all my market cap coins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8. I have 8 coins so far that I feel comfortable in trading. All right, so Cardano. Is it Cardano or Cardona? Cardona. I don't know, whatever. Doesn't really matter. It's going to be a weekly support level. You imagine how many alerts just go off whenever capitulations happen for me. It's crazy. My wife was getting pissed with all my alerts going off. I think a retest down here. No. I don't want to buy there again. I want to buy here, 16. How's Bitcoin doing? How's the corn? Still struggling. Want to see this bitch drop? I want to see a true capitulation, and I don't think we've seen it yet. I don't think we have. Oh, damn it, I did it again. I keep doing that. I'm sorry. I just click all over the place all the time. Any comments? Nope. Okay. One ring. What the fuck? Oh, Trader SZ. Got it. All right. Ugh. I think I'm interested in picking up a lot of. I think if CRV got to a really attractive price point, I'm pretty sure I would pick up quite a bit of it and stake it for a long period of time. I've done enough history or enough research on the fundamentals behind it that I think I like it as a long-term thing. CVX is similar. Wow, we're back here. These. Oh, hey, give me a second, guys. All right, I'm back. I guess my wife came here, grabbed something, and left. So, um, that. I don't know. Oh shit! Oh well, one more thing. All right, I'm back. So, sorry, I had to grab a phone charger, take the dogs out, see if my wife was here. I was curious. Um, yeah. Oops. Okay. Let's go back through all of these and make all of our. Okay, alerts. Alert. I don't have any key levels there. I just don't. I don't know anything that besides this. The only one I'd be really interested in buying here. Weekly support. It's the only one I really feel comfortable in buying at that level. Okay. The only one I really interested in that this is the 0.6 cents area I was talking about before, guys. You guys can understand why, right? Like this is the accumulation area. This is where I started accumulating it over here. So I say that a lot, and that's the reason why. Once we had that impulse up, I was buying in this region. Okay, weekly support. So the BTC pairing is my key on Doge, I think, at this point. I think I sort of missed the boat on this drop. And if we do get a further drop in here, I don't think this is what I'd buy. I think I'd look for other stuff. I think. Yeah. Yep. That's the play. Okay, over here, log again. Make it easier to look at. Fuck. Weekly. Zip. Oh shit. It's accumulation base, right? It's like the range that the prices were really accumulating at for a while, or establishing themselves. Losing this would be huge. I'm going to go ahead and make an alert on this. Alert. Crossing down. Ethereum BTC. Trend line being tested. Okay. This is a big one. Big one right there. Okay. Let's look at Ethereum BTC. I don't have anything on here that I'm really interested in at this point. Just nothing, guys. If we lose this, I just don't. Just nothing, guys. I don't have anything to really look at. I guess here. You know what? I take that back. I think this would be a pretty decent region. Weekly support. Okay. Sweep. Weekly 200 moving average. Okay, there's that. Yep. Okay, Matic's done. Shiba is already done. Like I told you guys, I don't really think I want Shiba at this point. I really don't see a situation where I would want to blind bid for Shiba at this point. I just don't think there is. Sucks, but it is what it is. Monthly, weekly, that's it. Sol BTC. Solana. Right down here. That's what I want. All right, let's do this. I'm going to get rid of all this crap. Delete everything. Okay. Fresh chart, fresh ideology, fresh everything. We're just freshening it up, right? Weekly support. All right. I'm not shorting it, so I'm cool with this. I think this makes sense. How's Solana doing? I know we were considering entering that trade. Has anything changed yet? No, I think it's still the same. I still don't like this. I don't think this whole, I don't think it makes sense. Way too dangerous in my opinion. Weekly breakers. All right, everything's good. Cool. Next, let's go to USD. Next is Litecoin. Oh God, Litecoin. You fucked me so many times, Litecoin. But I still love you. I'm just really mad. But I still love you. We're definitely above it, right? Sucks. I cannot believe this was a dud. Absolutely insane. Completely and utterly fucked me. There is no support on the Litecoin BTC pairing. None. None. Zero, zip, nada. Nothing. Okay. Well, that sucks. Let's go to the USD pairing. God Okay. Monthly, right? Yep, monthly breaker. Good. Already had a rebound from it, so we missed the boat on that one. Weekly 200. As you guys can see, once we lost it, that was it. We've already tested that. We haven't actually tested that. We also haven't tested this. I think 40. This makes sense right here. Let's turn the log chart on. Right? We want to make it clear for us. Yeah, this is the key. This level right here is the key. That's what I want to buy at. Let's do this. Litecoin weekly support. Yeah, this is the one I want. Nothing else really looks good. Maybe here. Maybe, or maybe here actually. I think this might actually be a decent buy. Because we tested it once at active support level. So this actually is probably the best I'm going to get. So it's going to be a Litecoin weekly support. Oh, shit. Let support. All right. You guys are seeing how I'm doing this, right? Like, this is literally what I'm doing. This is it. This is how I set my positions up. This is how I trade. This is how I get ready for the right opportunities. This is what I do. Like, I just go through high time frame support levels, map them all out, set my alerts. So whenever the alerts go off, I can go back on there and start looking to enter to some positions. So this is what I'm looking for. That's it. And obviously, different altcoins trade at different times and periods and things like that. So like some will go off, some won't, and I'll just enter those positions that get off and ignore the ones that don't. That's basically it, guys. All right, so Litecoin, LEO, is that even on Coinbase? I've never heard of this before. What? Oh, that makes sense why. It's not on there. All right, cool. LEO Kronos. Crow is on there, and Crow got wrecked recently. Yep, Coinbase Exchange. Okay, so Crow. Oh, this sucks. This does not look healthy. Let's start over though. Let's make our new support levels. Is that a support? No. I'm going to say no. I think the support level is down here. This is actually a support. Okay, I might actually have an opportunity here. Really nasty rejection so far, but I don't necessarily hate it. For a quick trade, I mean, that being said, I think there is some fundamental issues wrong with this, but for a short trade, I don't think it's that bad. There's liquidity, there's volume. If my risk is well defined, I don't really have an issue with it. Down here as well. Support, support, support. This is the first time being tested. I mean, it's not. It's aggressive. There's a lot of drops on here. I'm gonna wait till here. I think this makes sense. This is the level that I'm looking for a bounce. And we haven't got one yet. Like, ugly, 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 ugly coin. Ugly, 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 ugly. Shorts crow. There you go. What? Where's your turn? 8 cents? Why? Let me see if that's where I'm looking at. 8 cents down there. Yeah. Same basic level. So I see it. I can definitely see it falling right through this because like it's not really that much of a support level. I think I agree. I think honestly, 8 cents would be like the best level for me. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and just pull this. I think I agree with them because there's some fundamental issues wrong with this shit, and I really don't think I want to be in on this trade when I'm expecting further downside. This is my level. I'd be looking for like maybe up to 16. So quick bounce, 100% gains, move on. I could see that. It's reasonable, I think. But it's dangerous because Crow has some serious issues right now. I think crypto.com, that exchange, is having a lot of serious problems right now. Near Protocol, isn't Near Protocol, wasn't that like impacted by the Luna situation? I thought it was. Well, also, first off, is Near even on Coinbase? No. Okay, don't care about it. All right, move on. Sorry if you guys don't trade Coinbase, but like the coins I'm doing, a lot of these are actually like on other exchanges too. So, you know. FTT, I'm pretty sure it's on Coinbase. Let's check. Nope. No, it's not. All right, cool. Disregard. Bitcoin Cash. This one's definitely on Coinbase. Let's do that. There's plenty of liquidity too. I do know that. A lot of people do trade this one. Bitcoin Cash. Clear all. Delete everything. Just disgusting. Look at 200 weekly. Look how. Oh my god, man, that sucks. Holy god, I got wrecked on this one. All right. Bitcoin Cash. Is there anything that resembles support anywhere in this chart? Right there. 122. I have nothing else, guys. I have really nothing else. Wow. Wow. Weekly support. Yeah, there's nothing high time frame that gives me any confidence here. Nothing. Bitcoin Cash. This looks even worse. Somehow, Bitcoin Cash managed to make this chart even worse. There is no strength whatsoever here. All right, well, I'll add it, but I don't even know why. I don't really have any interest in it, but whatever, it's fine. Okay, that sucked. Next, Uniswap. I think it's on there. Yeah, I know it's on there. It's on Coinbase. Pretty damn sure of it. Okay, cool. Uniswap. Okay, well, this is the spot to buy. If it's going to bounce, it's got to do it here. So that's cool. USD pairing wise. You know what? It's not bad at this region. This is like the area I would be looking to enter into positions on it. This is literally it, guys. Like, this is where I'd be looking to enter. Oh, what's this? Oh, I can't do that. I can't listen to that because I'm gonna get in trouble. Can't do that. I'm streaming. Can't watch any of those videos. All right. Where are we at? Where are we at? Where are we at? So Uniswap, I've added it, right? Nope. Uniswap, cool. How's Bitcoin doing? Let's do this. Let me move some of my Bitcoin over into that position. Oh, we're showing a little bit of strength here. Little bit of strength. Oh my God. That's good enough. All right, cool. Now I have two charts that I can screw around with on that particular one. Let's see how this played out. Well, come down there, bounce. Yeah, got that part. And then we had our support level, our resistance level. Held it, broke up, broke down, retest. We never actually had a retest on it. That was the issue. I never actually got a retest on this. That was like my biggest issue. On FTX, it was a retest. I don't really know why, but there was, right? Just some liquidity scam crap. But come down here, dip all the way down, and then, here we are. Bullish divergence, which obviously did not play out the way we're looking for it. Sucked. Is what it is, right? Sucks. Okay. Yeah, this level right here is resistance. Like, we're right here at resistance. That's why I'm not interested in entering into Bitcoin right now. This is resistance. There's no ifs, ands, buts about it. And right now, we're currently rejecting off of it. I'm flat as can be right now. And with the momentum of this downtrend, like, we could absolutely drop a lot further. Don't be surprised by that one bit. Give me 1 second. Ugh. Yeah. Do Kwon. What? Ether scam? Oh my God, another one? Are you kidding me, guys? What in the hell? Another one. What? This is like incredible. Like this right here is absolutely insane. I don't even know what. Yeah, this is the issue. Like this is a massive, massive pressure on the market. I don't even know what direction, but there's a massive, massive, massive pressure on the market, and it's gonna go. I don't even know. This is the most extreme we've ever seen. Look at this. This is back since 2017. Not even close. Like we've never had an experience like this. The log chart's not as extreme, but like this is nuts, guys. Isn't that just absolutely insane? Longs just increased so aggressively over the last few weeks. DXY is actually starting to dip a little bit. Dow closed decent. Dow closed pretty well. Yeah. We'll see. Possibly. Like, we actually do have some bullish cases here. Make that very clear. Oh, if you guys haven't liked yet, go ahead and, do that. Thanks, guys. Appreciate it. All right. Like the video. Tell YouTube it's good content. Push it out to more people and all that good stuff. Discord. Do. I'm going on vacation tomorrow. I don't know if I told you guys that. Hmm. It's being resilient. Like Bitcoin is showing some resiliency here, but I'm not convinced that we're gonna be able to take off from here. I'm not convinced of it. Um, there's some major issues, guys. We need to clear some levels. Now, also remember this as well. Go back to Discord, right? Go back over here to market update. Oh wait, no, it's in scalping, right? Short-term scalps. Yeah, right down here. This is also an option. If we can actually reclaim this 4-hour breaker, I'd be interested in or along 34,000. So that's also a possibility. So I don't think we've. Oh shit. I don't think we've actually reached that yet. Let's see. Do we close above it? No. See how we haven't closed above it? So 2 hours. If we can reclaim this, I would be interested in getting along up to 34,000. Okay, tight stop loss. That's it. And I might even, if I do find that position as being viable, I actually might go find one of these altcoins that does look bullish and use it to leverage it. So I can go like Bitcoin Cash or something and target an equivalency level that I think it would be able to do because of. No, I wouldn't. No, I would not. No, I would not. No, I would not. Because Bitcoin dominance is too high. Right? I'm Bitcoin is my play for right now. That's right. Yep. Until Bitcoin drops Or until Bitcoin dominance drops back down, I can't. Bitcoin's the play. Yep. Are you winning, son? Yeah. Oh, that chairman tweet was priceless to watch. Have to laugh to keep from crying. Okay, I'll look at it later. I can't do it while on stream. YouTube will flag my channel. Like they'll give me a copyright strike. I really don't care about the money on the channel, but they can shut my channel down again. Remember, I did get my channel shut down one time. They did. They actually shut my channel down, so I gotta be careful. It was for an absolute bullshit reason, and I fought it and I won. But yeah. What the fuck is that? Okay. Huh. Weird. Um. Yeah, guys. I don't know. I think I have a pretty good idea what I want to do though. I think it all makes sense. So right now I'm gonna set an alert up here. BTC breaking above 4-hour support or 4-hour resistance. Okay, there we go. If I can get that to trigger and close above here, I will then be interested in entering into this. Wait, this. Then trade, right? I have to get that trade, that trigger above here, close above, then I'll be doing entering this if possible. Okay. But all these different steps have to happen. Above here, close above here. So in 2 hours, 10 minutes, I'll see, enter into it, then I'll be targeting up here. That's what I want to do. That's it. I don't have any interest in any other position right now besides way down lower. So either down here, enter there, and I'll do this actually. BTC testing 4-hour support. Okay. Alerts have been set. Alert up here, alert down there, everything else between, don't give a shit about. This is literally just garbage right now. Oh, my puppies are adorable. They're sleeping at my feet right now. Yep. Do you guys have any questions or anything specifically you want to talk about? I'm sort of just getting to that point where I'm like getting, we're just dragging on, and I want to focus, make sure you guys get the answers you're looking for. And after that, I'm probably gonna end the stream, but I want to make sure you guys get all your questions answered. Do you guys have anything specifically you're asking about, or questions on, or I don't know, whatever? That crow is struggling. You can catch a knife though, maybe. I don't know. I might. There's definitely some rounding up that's happening on the market. I don't really see anything I'm really interested in, but like there's definitely some rounding that's happening. I think I'm in a good spot right now, though. I think I'm really happy with how I have everything set up. I have top 24. Let's do 25. Let's do 25. We'll do the last later. Link. Yeah, let's do Link. Oh, man. Algo and Stellar. I'll do Link, Stellar, and Algo. Yeah. Link, Stellar, Algo. And then we'll move on from there. Okay. So Link. Everyone just want to push them all out. I don't know. We'll see if I have the patience, because I don't know if I do, honestly. Okay, log chart. You guys know it's the first thing you do on here. Monthly breakers already been set. Let's get rid of all this garbage on here I don't want. Okay, that's support. Ah, fuck. It's support. Monthly support. You imagine if that went off? Holy hell. That'd be nuts. Absolutely insane. Now you can also see though how significant this breakdown was, right? We're now below all these key levels, so 200 weekly is now below it. Like this looks really bad. So, all right, that's the USD. Let's go to the BTC pairing. Link. We're below everything. I don't have any interest at this level at all. Nothing. There's no support here. Yep, my support's right down here. That's it. There's nothing else here. Yep. All right, cool. That was easy. Next, Stellar XLM. Okay. What are we working with here? That is a support. This is no longer a support. Right? Actually, yes, it is. It is a support. I don't know if I really want to buy that, though. Support, support. All of that is support. Monthly, way down here, we have a good support level. Okay, that's going to be another XLM. Monthly support. Okay, we got that. Let's go over to XLM. Holding up now, it is. It's still holding up. This looks like it is a support level right here. Yeah, monthly support right there. This is currently a support, but again, we don't know what's going to happen with Bitcoin, so we got to be careful. I'm actually going to get rid of this. It was a solid level. That was a solid support level, but there's better ones now. Weekly 200, we're now below it. That just sucks, guys. These weekly 200 losses are huge. Just huge. They are going to be some absolute monsters to try to get back above again. Absolute monsters. I don't know if we can. Yeah. All right. That's that. I'll go. Bounced right there. Actually, it's not tested, is it? Nope. Was not tested. Oh, wait. Still not tested. All right, so it's not been tested yet. Holy shit, that was close. Not tested. It's still support. Yeah. Still support. Down here, still support. Algo weekly support. Turn off log. Anything else? Nope. These are no longer important. No longer important. All that needs to go away. Back at the base. We are back at the base, y'all. This is a major resistance. Major resistance. That is huge. Yeah, huge, 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 huge resistance. So freaking important level. Algorand, BTC, reject off the monthly, drop back down. Have we tapped this yet? I don't think we have. No? Wait. There you go. Haven't tapped it yet. Holy shit, I'm going to have so many alerts go off. Whatever, it's fine. There's lots of opportunities in the market. Low time frame, how are we doing? I'm still struggling. Not bad, honestly. Hmm. Oh, I'm playing Satisfactory while listening to your smooth jazz voice in the background. You did this to me. Dude, I want to know like how your bass is going. My bass is pretty cool. I should do like a live stream of my bass. It's pretty neat. The game is amazing. It's amazing. I played a little bit last night. Um I finished another train line and then I was like I need to stop, so I stopped. I started playing while we were crashing. That was how like just depressed I was getting. I was like I'm just going to play Satisfactory. So, I did. Good game. Great game. Love it. But yeah. Whoa! That's crazy. That's crazy. That being said, like there was obviously a lot more money to lose because of inflation, but that's still a lot. Um, Adam. Let's look at Adam. Log chart. Uh-oh, I see a trend line. Where's it from? No, not significant. All right, never mind. Disregard on that. I always get excited when I see random trend lines drawn on my chart. I'm like, oh, at one point I thought this is important. Let's see what it is about. Nah. Okay, that is a major support level. This is the support level I'm looking for. Let's go to a weekly. Precision wise, there's really not much, honestly. Basically, anywhere in here I'd be looking to add, though. That specifically is the key level. Wait, there and there. God, there's a lot of support here. Basically, anywhere in here is actually a pretty good level. So, ugh, so gross, guys. I hate this. And then if I get a good buy opportunity, I'm gonna then start looking at targets. But I'm not gonna worry about targets until I get into some good levels. Bitcoin is actually starting to look sort of decent. We've also had a pretty decent drop in Bitcoin dominance. DXY looks to be dropping a little more. SPX. This is interesting, right? So the total 3 chart, we actually bounced off the golden pocket. So that's also interesting. So like, I don't know, guys. It's just rough. It's really hard for me to get a good bias right now. Um, Damn, now I want to watch that, but I can't until I turn the stream off. Okay, so that's that. That's Adam. I didn't do the BTC pairing, did I? Nope. Let's go to the BTC pairing on Adam. Maybe there's more. Maybe there's a better level I can look at. Well, apparently now. Yeah. Pretty important. This is the level though. Okay, cool. It's already leveled. Cool. I agree. Nothing really different about that. Oh, XLM BTC didn't transfer over. Let's fix that. XLM BTC, XLM BTC. Okay. Cool. Oh my gosh, are you kidding me? Oh yeah, I want to watch that now. All right, guys. Well, I think I'm gonna end the stream. I don't have much else to say. You guys have yeah, appreciate you guys joining around. Where are we at? 2.5 hours? Not bad. I'm going on vacation, so like I have no idea how involved I'll be over the next few days. Um, so full disclosure, I'm going on a cruise with my wife. So we're going on a cruise. I'm not gonna say where I'm going because I don't want to like dox myself that much. I guess I'm sure if you look hard enough, you can find me. But um, yeah. So I'm going on a cruise. So neat. Yep. I'll let you guys go. Enjoy yourself. I will update you as much as I can. You guys know my basic buy targets and sell targets and stuff like that. And yeah, so have a great one, guys. I will see you guys next one. Like always, I'm out. Thank you guys for joining in. Like, subscribe, all that good stuff. And yeah, deuces, boys. I'm out. Bye.